Okay, the accounting concepts. This is how you would write them when you're asked in the exams, right? Accrual concept, how you would be writing it down. These are the details that you have to provide. Right? Expenses are recognized when the services are received, irrespective of when the payment is made. Right? So similarly, consistency, materiality, prudence. Minor events may be ignored, but the major events should be fully disclosed. Information is material for meeting prudence. The prudence concept also known as the conservatism principle, accounting principle, completeness, going concern. Going concern is often asked in the exams. Now they are also asking the business entity concept, right? So basically, what it means that the accounting enterprise are the business enterprise and its owners are two separate entities, right? And this is a separation of legal identity that you have. Legal identity that is. If you want to add this, you can. Money measurement concept that every monetary transactions are to be recorded. Then we have the matching concept, match the revenue and the expenses. Then we have the substance over form. Then we have T and F, right? True and fair view concept. These are the important concepts that we have. Okay, I hope you have understood this.